Hey aunties, I'm here with London, and we are here for Theme Thursday Birdies. And as y'all can tell, she's knocked out as usual, but she has on her um, aqua blue onesie, short sleeve onesie, with two birds on a tree limb with leaves. It's like two lovebirds right there. See? Two lovebirds with the heart on top. So yeah, there are two lovebirds right there. Then she has on her hat that has birds on it, aqua blue, red, green with hearts on it, with blue hearts on it. And then she has her pacifier in her mouth, which is crooked. Let me straighten it up. I don't think she wanted, guys. Oh, come on, Mama, take your passy. I don't think she wanted, but anyway, the passy has an owl on it. Let me focus it. The passy has an owl on it with a bird on it with hearts on it as well. There you go. You guys see that? Don't want to focus. But yeah, that's what she has on her pussy. Right there. Yeah, there you go. You can see it better like that. Birdie and an owl with two hearts on it. Then she's laying on her white blanket with birds all over it. Right there. And she's barefooted. So yeah, that's it. This is my London. She's my twin bee by Bonnie Brown. There she is. Okay, aunties. Hugs and kisses.